good?
What's up? Who's this on the
Yeah,
board?
my nigga.
I finished the body.
Second, third time he's been past me.
I just noticed right now I ain't got enough fucking sound pack.
My shit loud as fuck.
Good, buddy.
Okay.
There they are. There they are.
They crashed out. Let him up. Perico just drove past too.
Where's that right now?
They got AKs.
Over coke. Back up over coke. AK dead. AK. No, he's not dead. Never mind.
No,
Got
you. In the grove. They're coming up.
Left off, to your left.
Bro, I'm fucking limping. I don't know, it's another car spinning by, bro.
Yeah, it's me in a white car. I'm in a white car.
Right.
Alright, bet.
Are we killing the yellows?
Good shit.
Dead, he's dead.
Bet. Yeah, I think he has an AK. I'm gonna stay away from that. Yeah, they're pushing right now. There's an AK. He's middle of the street right now by the repair shop. Bet, I'm pushing up. Who are you guys fighting?
Up in the Dodge.
I'm in the backyards, back of the houses. Who are you guys fighting? The flags. Alright, I'm pulling up. Where you guys want me? Who are you guys fighting? In black? Alright, bet.